When people talk about their journey to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and their religiosity, oftentimes they're lost as to what that next step is. And one of the things that we wanted to do as Yaqeen was to get precise. And that's one of the beauties of our religion, is that nothing is really ambiguous when it comes to our journey to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There are precise areas of improvement and precise solutions that we can take from the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and from the tradition as a whole. Basic is a way for us to measure in a transformative way what our areas are of improvement, and then a customized way forward to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and then to measure how we're going to improve within those areas, inshallah ta'ala. And we're open to feedback. We want to hear from you all about how this tool is helping you. This is, of course, an opportunity for us, inshallah ta'ala, to grow as individuals and as communities, because we understand that in Islam, when the individual grows, the community as a whole grows. And so when each of us are able to engage in these introspective exercises and assessments where we see exactly where we lack, then that allows us, inshallah ta'ala, to know what we're committing to and how we get to the next step, inshallah ta'ala. So I hope, inshallah, you'll all take this basic assessment, and I hope, inshallah ta'ala, you'll see it not as a judgment, but as a guide to become a better version of yourself, inshallah ta'ala. And we hope to be better for you as Yaqeen.